Moonie, don't be mean to your brother. Your brother loves you.
Once I was 7 years old, my
Your brother
mama told me,
kisses.
go make yourself some friends or you'll be lonely. Once I was 7 years old.
Hey Amanda, I saw that. Go be nice to Moonie. That's your brother too.
It was a big, big world, but we
Mama's
thought we were
boys.
bigger, pushing each other to the limits. We were learning
love you,
quicker.
boys.
By 11, smoking herb and drinking burning liquor.
Mama's
Never
baby.
rich, so we were out to make that steady
my
bigger.
beautiful
Once I
Moonie.
was 11 years old, my daddy told me, go get yourself a wife or you'll be lonely. Once I was 11 years old. I always had that dream like my daddy before me. So I started writing songs, I started writing stories. Something about that glory just always seemed to bore me. Cause only those I really love will ever really know me. Once I was 20 years old, my story got told. Before the morning sun when life was lonely. Once I...
See how beautiful my baby is. Look at that beautiful face. Mama's boy.